So just look at this icon. This is a PDF, but the icon is not of PDF, right? So in ServiceNow, you can change the icon of a particular object. Okay, so how to do so? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing something interesting about notifications. So I will show you two things. Let's see. Okay, this is my notification, very basic one on incident table, triggering when the category is changing. Okay, not that much complicated, going to system administrator and caller, and the main thing is it is going like this. So what I'm doing, I'm embedding a report in the notification. Dollar curly braces report colon report ID colon then the sys ID of that particular report. Okay, and bracket close. So you have to follow the same format if you want to attach a particular report in your email. So now let me trigger the email. Okay, let me go to this incident. Let's change the category, save it, go to emails, email logs. Let me refresh. You see email is triggered. Okay, let me open the email. So here you see this is .pdf. So no matter what is the output of the report, by default it will always go as a PDF. Let me open this. So a basic PDF, okay? But so now this is the trick. In case you want to receive this data in the form of Excel, you can do so by a simple tweaking in the format. Let's go here. So if you write here just colon and XLS, okay? Simple. Save it. Now let's change the category again to trigger the email. It should trigger now. Reload. Yes, this is the latest email. Open it. So now you see the report in the form of XLS, that is in the form of Excel. So this is the simple tweak which I want to tell you. One more thing, don't go. So just look at this icon. This is a PDF, but the icon is not of PDF, right? So in ServiceNow, you can change the icon of a particular object. Okay. So how to do so? I will tell you this in a next video. So keep watching and subscribe to ServiceNow 911. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.